Only a parrot, really. Written in C.S. Stewart's ink. Only a parrot, really. A parrot in a cage, talking all day, learning more with age, echoing others all the way. Concepts and theories swimming around in my head, analysis and hypothesizing of advisories, endless discussion with inaction instead. Why are we taught to build and to cook, to discuss the merits sought, or implement learning took? What is the aim, the purpose, if no knowledge is applied, no theory to experience metamorphose, no house to live in, no ingredients utilized? Yet bragging in the cold and hunger increasing, reciting cookbooks new and old, flashing BAs, MAs, and PhDs conceptualizing. Who is our teacher and what have we learned? Can they eat for us our measure, or do we ourselves taste what we've earned? How long can we live vicariously through them? They show us outcomes reconstructive, yet only recite and don't apply them. Our hunger is never fulfilled, our home is never reached. Reading forever, the way is not willed, personal experience beseeched. Yet unwilling to add the ingredients, to implement our learning, expecting the teacher's obedience, no responsibility on us functioning. Do we continue to echo precepts or strengthen our discipline in actions, leading to fulfillment of concepts, personal experiences, and no dissatisfaction? Or do we forever a parrot remain, tasting nothing, building nothing, constant theorizing and endless refrain? Follow the recipe and withhold nothing.